The overall goal of this procedure is to identify and measure delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, in its initial stages using a thermal infrared camera. The first step is to take baseline images of both arms. Pain measurements are done using a visual analog scale, and blood is drawn to measure serum myoglobin. Next, muscle strength is measured in the arm that will be exercised. The appropriate weight needed for the exercise is calculated as a percentage from this muscle strength measurement. Then, the subject does 4 sets of 25 repetitions using the calculated weight. The final step is to take images of both the exercised and non-exercised arms at 24 and 48 hours after the exercise. Blood is collected, and the visual analog scale is administered at several time points after the exercise to verify the pain intensity. Ultimately, the acquired IR images are analyzed using the Thermovision Examiner software, showing a significant increase of the skin temperature above the exercised muscle.
The main advantage of this technique is that unlike visual analog scales, which are kind of a subjective measure of whether someone's sore or not, this technique gives you quantifiable absolute data. This method has the additional advantage of being able to detect delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, in its early stages. This allows more detailed studies of the microphysiology of exercise and muscle soreness rather than using simple subjective scales. Demonstrating this technique will be Hani Al-Nakhli. Hani is a PhD candidate earning his doctorate in rehabilitation science here in the School of Allied Health at Loma University.